What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're gonna unbox the Neewer 2-pack dimmable lighting LED. It puts out 56 kilowatts, no 56K. I'm sorry, the kilowatts. I don't know why I said that. And it's 2-pack. Let's unbox it. I got it from Amazon, $33. I'm gonna leave a link down below. Let's see what we get in the package. Shout out to Chun-Li and Bison. Right, you wanted to take another day off. It is what it is. Let's unbox and see what we get in here. Okay, so we opened the box and we got two of these squares with filters in it and protecting. All right. I got this mainly for I need better lighting. The lighting that I have right now in my shop, it ain't that great, but it does do the job. But with this, I'm gonna have a better experience. So we also got a couple stands with a ball joint on top, not bad. And we got an extender. Let's unwrap this real quick. Come on. Didn't need to use the brand new knife that I just got. Okay, not bad at all. Let's see how far. Okay. Oh wow. I don't know. This is about like 3 feet, I would say. About 3 feet. Not bad at all. So you get one of these bad boys. Wow. Okay, we put it up here. Let's screw it in. Giggity. I hope y'all seeing this pretty good. I'm not sure. So we're just gonna set this up and let's see if we have a difference when it comes to my lighting without the two light I would have said floodlights, but they're not floodlights. I guess better lighting. Let's see if we get better lighting with this product. Let's set it up. All right, this is how it's gonna look if you have it standing up. The one thing that I didn't read and I didn't realize was that this product doesn't come with power supply. So you're gonna need a USB type A power plug, like one of these. Let me get one real quick. You're gonna need something like this. This is for a Chromecast. It works perfectly fine. I have plenty of these laying around. So you plug it in. Comes with a little filter. Look at all the LEDs right here. Nope. Comes with a little filter. Look at all the LEDs right there. And it brings different. It comes with a yellow, a blue, and a red one. So if you want to mix and match everything, you could do it. All right. So let's turn it on, and I'm gonna show you how the lights look. All right. This is how the light looks when it's on. This is 100%. You could put it down. Let's see how it looks when we put it down. Okay, look at the control panel right there. Power. Let's get closer. There you go. Power, up and down. So we're gonna go down. There you go. 1 down. 2 down, 3 down, 4 down, 5 down, 6 down, up to 6. So 6 levels. So let's go all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 100% if I'm not mistaken. Let's hit it one more time. Let's see. Yep, that's 100%. So now I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna set up my camera and I'm gonna show you why this might be the best investment that I've done for my YouTube channel. All right, so the way I set it up was I had to zip tie it to the back. Let me show you. Let me walk there. I know my cable's a hell of a mess, but I zip tied it through the back, put it right there, zip tied the cable there so I could have access to the control to turn it on and off. And luckily that one of my extension cord comes with USB. Let me see, get close right there. It comes with a USB. So that was my whole setup. So I'm gonna show you now how it looks after I had the light in my face, or as an addition. Alright, so you could tell right now, this is the color that I have with all the lighting around me that I have available. Now I'm gonna set it up the way I want it, so I can have the light towards my face, make my face a little bit clearer, and have everything else a lot clearer. And now this is how it looks. Major difference. I'm speechless right now. Like, you can see my face clear, no lighting distortion, nothing like that. And remember, this is 2-pack. I'm looking myself through the little monitor, through the little picture, and it's like, for 32 bucks, you can't beat that, man. You really can't beat that. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.